First, ensure your Verizon plan includes hotspot or tethering data. Check your My Verizon app or account online. Next, verify your device is out of airplane mode. Also, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled on the device you're trying to connect. Restart both your phone and the device you're connecting. Make sure your phone has a strong cellular signal, at least 2 to 3 bars. Finally, toggle the hotspot feature off and then on again. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, check your access point name settings. For Verizon, the standard APN is VZ Winternet. On Android, find APN in Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Access Point Names. On iPhone, APN settings are usually automatic, but resetting network settings via Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset network settings can help. Be mindful of data caps. Verizon Unlimited plans usually include 15 to 30 gigabytes of hotspot data. Exceeding this results in throttled speeds. If problems persist, contact Verizon support or use the Verizon app's AI diagnostics tool. Sometimes, a plan upgrade is the only solution.